In this video, we're going to be converting decimals to fractions. The materials that you'll need will be your math journals and colored pens. You can pause and rewind this video as many times as you need. We are going to start by converting terminating decimals into fractions. A terminating decimal is a decimal that has ended, like example 1. Take the decimal and write it over a power of 10. Add the amount of zeros according to how many digits there are. Since we only have one digit, we only need to add 1 zero. I know that 8 over 10 can be simplified. So I'm going to divide that by 2. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4, and 10 divided by 2 gives me 5. So my answer is 4 over 5. Example 2. I'm going to convert 0 and 375 thousandths into a fraction. First, I'm going to write 375 as my numerator, and in the denominator is a power of 10. Since I have 1, 2, 3 digits, I need 3 zeros. So it's going to be over 1,000. I know that I can simplify both my numerator and denominator by 25. So 375 divided by 25 gives me 15, and 1,000 divided by 25 gives me 40. However, I know I can divide again by 5, and 15 divided by 5 gives me 3, and 40 divided by 5 gives me 8. So my answer is 3 over 8. Example 3. Convert 1 and 25 hundredths to a fraction. 1 is a whole number, so it goes in front. I need to change 0.25 to a fraction. 25 becomes my numerator, and the denominator is a power of 10. Since I have 2 digits, I'm going to need 2 zeros. However, I know that 25 and 100 can be simplified, so I'm going to divide both my numerator and denominator by 25. My whole number stays in the front. 25 divided by 25 becomes 1, and 100 divided by 25 becomes 4. So my answer is 1 1/4. Converting repeated decimals to fractions. Step 1. Write the whole number. Step 2. The numerator will be the digits in the pattern. Step 3. The denominator will be 9, 99, 999, etc. Use the same amount of 9s as the digits in the numerator. Step 4 is to simplify if possible. Now again, this is only to convert repeated decimals to fractions. Example 4. Convert 0 and 54 repeated to a fraction. Step 1. Write the whole number, but there's no whole number, so we'll move on to step 2. Step 2 says the numerator will be the digits in the pattern, so that will be 54. Step 3, the denominator will be 9, 99, 999, etc. So I'm just going to use the same amount of 9s as the digits in the numerator. So since I have 2 digits in the numerator, I'll have 2 9s in the denominator. However, I know that I can simplify, so I'm going to go ahead and divide both my numerator and denominator by 9. So 54 divided by 9 will give me 6, and 99 divided by 9 will give me 11. So my answer is 6 over 11. Example 5. Convert 0.416416 repeated to a fraction. My pattern is 416, so 416 will be my numerator. The denominator is 9. Use the same amount of 9s as the digits in the numerator. 1, 2, 3 digits, so I need 1, 2, 3 9s. So my answer is 416 over 999. Example 6. Convert 2 and 53 repeated to a fraction. First, I'm going to write the whole number, which is 2. Now I see that my pattern is 53, so my numerator is 53. Since there are only 2 digits in my numerator, there will be 2 9s in my denominator. And that's it. My answer is 2 and 53 over 99.